Hey there, welcome back to our Revolution Games Academy. Audio is such a powerful tool in game development, it can transform gameplay into something truly unforgettable. Background music, in particular, sets the tone and immerses players in your game's world. With Unity's robust audio features, adding high-quality sound to your projects is seamless. Let's dive in and explore how to effectively add background music and manage audio components to take your game's atmosphere and engagement to the next level. Let's talk about choosing the right music. Select tracks that match your game's theme and mood. For example, an epic orchestral score suits an adventure game, while soothing melodies are perfect for a puzzle game. Make sure the music aligns with the tone you want to set. It's essential to have the proper rights to use your chosen tracks. If you're using music created by others, ensure you have the necessary licenses or permissions. Alternatively, consider royalty-free music libraries or collaborate with a composer for custom tracks tailored to your game. Next, prepare your music files for integration. Convert them to formats Unity supports, such as .mp3 or .wav. Now comes the exciting part, adding music to your game. First, let's organize your music files in Unity. Right-click on the Assets folder in the project window, select Create, and then Folder. Name it Audio or Music. Inside this folder, you can create subfolders like background music or sound effects to keep things organized. Now locate the downloaded background music and import it into this newly created folder. Next, let's add an audio source to play the music. The audio source component is responsible for emitting sound in Unity. In the hierarchy window, click the plus button, navigate to Audio and Audio Source. Unity will create a new game object named Audio Source in the hierarchy window, which automatically has the audio source component attached. You can also create an empty game object and attach a audio source component. Click the plus icon in the hierarchy window and select the Create Empty option. In the inspector, add the audio source component. Okay, now assign your music file to the audio source by dragging it from the project window and drop it into the audio clip field in the inspector. Now let's ensure an audio listener is set up in the scene. The audio listener acts as the ears of your game, capturing and processing all the sounds emitted by audio sources. By default, Unity adds an audio listener to the main camera in a new scene. This setup is ideal since the main camera represents the player's perspective. Make sure your main camera has an audio listener attached by selecting it in the hierarchy and checking the inspector window. If you have multiple cameras or listeners in the scene, disable the extra audio listener components to avoid warnings or conflicts. Unity allows only one active audio listener per scene. Finally, test your setup. Press play and check that the music plays seamlessly, the volume is balanced, and the sound adjusts correctly based on the camera's position. And that's it. By organizing your files, setting up an audio source, and ensuring an audio listener is in place, you've successfully integrated background music into your game. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Unity tutorials. In the next video, we'll work with audio sources and audio clips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.